Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Corner. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-driven content creation with a focus on a powerful tool called copy.ai. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or just someone looking to enhance your writing skills, copy.ai can revolutionize the way you create content. So let's get started. So, what exactly is copy.ai? At its core, copy.ai is an artificial intelligence tool designed to assist you in writing high-quality content quickly and efficiently. It uses advanced algorithms and machine learning to generate text based on the prompts you provide. From blog posts to social media captions, copy.ai can help streamline your writing process and ensure you always have fresh ideas at your fingertips. Now let's talk about how copy.ai works. The platform is incredibly user-friendly. You simply choose a template that suits your needs, like a blog post, product description, or email. Then you provide some basic information or keywords about your topic. Once you hit generate, the AI works its magic and creates a variety of content options for you to choose from. You can refine the output by tweaking the prompts or choosing different tones and styles, which gives you a lot of creative control over the final product. It's like having a writing assistant that's available 24/7, ready to help you brainstorm or craft the perfect piece of writing. Copy.ai offers a range of features that make it stand out in the crowded field of AI writing tools. Here are a few highlights. Versatile templates. From social media posts to blog outlines, copy.ai provides templates for nearly every type of writing task. Tone customization. You can select different tones. Whether you want your content to be professional, casual, humorous, or persuasive, the AI adapts accordingly. Collaboration tools. Copy.ai allows teams to collaborate seamlessly, making it ideal for marketing teams or businesses with multiple contributors. Language support. The platform supports multiple languages, which is a huge benefit for global businesses or multilingual content creators. SEO optimization. Some features are designed to help your content rank better on search engines, providing keyword suggestions and other SEO tips. Now, let's get into the benefits of using copy.ai. Saves time. Writing can be a time-consuming process, but with copy.ai, you can generate content in minutes instead of hours. This allows you to focus on other important aspects of your business or creative projects. Enhances creativity. Sometimes we all hit a creative block. Copy.ai can help spark new ideas and inspire your writing, leading to content that resonates better with your audience. Cost effective. For small businesses or freelancers, hiring professional writers can be expensive. Copy.ai offers a more affordable solution without sacrificing quality, allowing you to create professional-grade content on a budget. Consistent output. With copy.ai, you can maintain a consistent voice and style across all your content, which is crucial for brand identity and recognition. Learning tool. As you use copy.ai, you can learn from its outputs, improving your writing skills and understanding of effective content creation over time. So, whether you're a seasoned writer looking to speed up your process or a beginner trying to find your voice, copy.ai has something to offer. The power of AI in content creation is truly transformative, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality material that engages and informs your audience. If you're interested in trying out copy.ai, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check it out for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on tools that can boost your productivity and creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.